So you want to know what it sounds like in real life, I guess inside the car as you're driving. And don't worry about all the waviness and stuff. My defroster's on, so well, this is what the resonator delete sounds like inside the car. That's pretty much it, really. You know, it's subtle, it's nice, does have a nice tone, and it's silent when you're cruising. Not much else to say, really. I'll add another video of outside the car so you can hear what the actual exhaust notes like, accelerating and whatnot from outside. So you can hear what everyone else would hear when you're driving by. And we'll just go from there.
Well, I did try to record this, however, there was so much wind you couldn't hear anything except for the wind. You can barely even hear the car, so that failed, obviously. But I'm going to do a remake when it's not so windy, and we'll go from there.